You know what, guys? It doesn't matter how bad was your yesterday. Because today, you are going to make it a good one. Wishing you a good morning, everyone. Laban lang. Because God is with us. Lahat ng pagsubok may dahilan. Lahat ng paghihirap may katapusan. Lahat ng problema may solusyon. Lahat ng pagbagsak may pagbangon. Wala tayong hindi kayang lampasan at pagtagumpayan kapag Diyos ang ating maging sandalan.